Okay, so hi there everybody. We're going to continue with our videos in the instrumentation and technology in mathematics. I believe we are now on this toolbox, and then we're going to talk about more of them. We have a lot of examples here, a lot of types of circles and arcs, and here we have the conic sections. Okay, so let's try them out. Let's try first with a circle with center to point. Say you want to, let's zoom this in this a little bit, the origin and okay, I want a circle with we're going to select a center point, then point on a circle. So for instance, I want the center to be on 1 1, and just drag the cursor, and then you will know where the circle is until. So I just want to have a unit circle, so we have a circle with this with a unit radius. Okay, so we can see the equation of the circle. So we have x minus 1 quantity squared plus y minus 1 quantity squared equals 1. So I think the unit circle should be at the origin. So let me adjust to that. There you go. Okay, another one is a center with a radius. So first we need to put the center in. So let's try to put our center at 1 minus 1. Then we're going to input the radius. What would you want to be your radius be? Let's try to put 2, and that will be the circle. And this one here. Okay, so if you want, you can change that color of this. Oops, sorry. Again, let's do that again. My goodness. Again, I want to change the colors, but go to the settings, and then I want to change the color into red. And then that's the circle with the red color over there. Okay, now let's consider more examples. The next one will be the compass. So we will select two segments or 2 points of the circle and then a center point. So we're going to choose, for instance, I'm going to choose this, for instance here, B and A, and then it will look like this. Okay, so I can put anywhere. This circle here which came from the exact same circle, which is this, and I just maybe I want to put it here, for instance. There. So that's a circle D. We'll call that circle D. If you want, we can set that into a different color so that we won't get lost. Let's call it color, maybe green, light green. Okay. And look at this. We can change or play this two um, circles because they're of the same um, um, what do you call that? They're of the same wait. They have the same radius, so we can actually adjust to that. Let's make that a unit circle. Okay. So again, so that's it. Very near to a unit circle. Okay. Now, about this, let's try to play this. It will go around on that x-axis of ours. So it go past through the origin, and then going through the origin. This works well with figures on the x and y axis. So notice that point B is on the y-axis, point D is on the x-axis. Let's go on the next. Go to the next. Circle through 3 points. We need 3 points in order for us to create a circle. First, we need to put the center. We need to put one side of the circle, and then we want to have another one. Okay. So 3 points. So that's why it's called 3 points. There are 3 points in a circle. Okay. Next is we want to also consider the semicircle. So if we just need two endpoints, so let's start here with 6, and then that's the endpoint. That's a semicircle. Okay, if you want, we can put it here. That's our semicircle. Again, the definition of a semicircle is that it's half of a circle, right? Next is we're going to consider a circular arc. So we have circular arcs here. Okay, moving on. Let's have another example. Let's have the circumcircular arc points here and here, and another one which will make it an arc. Okay, you can see that it's adjusting. Okay, it's adjusting to depending on our first 2 points wherever it is. So it's kind of adjusting. It should be an arc. and let's try to end it, say here. So that's our circumcircular arc. Next, you can do pretty much a lot of things here. Let's try to have a sector. Let's have a center point at P, and we will start here and then going through, say, going through Q. Okay, that's our arc, circular sector, or rather, not an arc, sorry, a sector. Let's have the circumcircular sector. Okay, circumcircular, so not a circular. So we'll have 1 point here, say another point here, and then we'll have this one as another point. Say we'll have only here. Okay, so if you want, you can change the color so that we won't get lost. Go to settings, and then we're going to change it to a different color. Just click on the color, and then we're going to change it to, say, what, blue, like that, and then that's it. Color is changed. Okay, so that we won't get lost. Now, as you can see, we can do a lot of things here in the circles tool. We can try to play this so that we can see the animation, some of the animations. Say on point G is there. So let's try to enjoy the animation. Let's go there. And then looking at point G, if we're going to play that, what will happen is that point G will roam around this circle D and then look at the circle. You can do a simple mechanics through GeoGebra if you're taking up engineering classes. So this is a very simple mechanics of two circles. I want to pause that. How about point H? Point H is here. Okay, if we're going to play, point H will move on the x-axis again because point H is on the x-axis. So therefore, it can play. We can play around with it. You can see point H over there. Then we'll try to pause it over there. Okay, pause. Let's try to see other things and stuff. Okay, so we have also point R here to be our last one. Where's point R, by the way? Point R, okay, because point R is found on the y-axis. So pretty much it can play through here. So let's try to click on that. So you can see that the arc is adjusting to point R. Okay, see, until it will somehow look like a straight line. Okay, when point R is on the top. Okay, so let's try to pause that. And let's try to be, I think this is the time where we will end our video. We have talked about in this video, particularly all about circles in GeoGebra. In the next batch of videos, we will be making use of this conics and then here, and then this one, the one with which we do translations with. And then we're going to talk about the sliders. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Hope you'd like and subscribe, and then please be posted and updated for upcoming videos. Thank you very much.